If you're thinking of getting the DJI Osmo Action 3 action camera, then this is my honest opinion and review. So, and I've had this now for about a year, maybe 2 years, and there's a few things I like about it and one thing to bear in mind. So, firstly, I just want to mention this wind muff thing that I've actually stuck these on. This is not part of it. This is something I've stuck on as an extra. And that's because I found that when filming outside, if there's a bit of wind noise, then it can tend to pick up some of that wind noise. So this is a very easy workaround. These cost about $2 or something. You can just stick these on. Yeah. So there's several things I like about this. First is that it's, of all the action cameras I've tried, this is the most reliable, fun, best quality, easy one to use. And I've tried a lot of them. I've tried most of the big names. This is my favorite. It's so easy. I don't want to go into all of the features in this short video, but it has all the features you would expect. Stabilization, the hyperlapses, time lapses, one click to turn on the camera and start recording, another click to stop recording and turn off the camera. Has a selfie screen on the front so you can see what you're filming. Connections. It has the magnetic connections that this line of cameras has become famous for. So you can connect things, it attaches magnetically, and also the clips hook in here. So it's a very strong mount, especially for filming action stuff like on bikes or surfing, skateboarding, that kind of thing. And you have these connections. It's waterproof by design. So without needing a case, this whole thing is waterproof, which is amazing. And then I also like that it has this USB-C connection in here, which you can just use like that. And then for the battery, you just click this little thing on the side and you can see here the SD card slot and the battery. It's much similar to other action cameras. It has this little pull tab, which is how you pull out the battery. No problems with that. It fits fine. It works fine. I love that you can just quickly change batteries on the go, because each battery I find lasts around about 45 minutes to an hour for me of being on/filming. Which is great, actually. That's a really good battery life for an action camera, just for one battery. So, yeah, I did actually get the action package, which comes with a thing with 3 batteries. So it comes with this, which is a small carry case for up to 3 batteries. You can charge them all at the same time, and they charge through USB-C. One really cool thing about this is that if you're traveling, you can actually use this as a power bank. So let's say you have your 3 batteries in here and they're fully charged. You can actually plug in like your phone to this USB-C port and charge your phone from these batteries. So this acts as a power bank, which is a really cool touch. And it has this nice kind of high quality magnetic connector here that just kind of like snaps the lid shut. If you press this button, it shines a light to tell you which ones are charged. So it's saying these 2 are fully charged and this one's empty. If they were not fully charged, it would show a red light. So yeah, comes with this. And if you're looking for just an action camera that's reliable, you don't have to worry about it. It's just going to work. And a camera that is so fun, easy to use and light that you would actually use it every day, I highly recommend this action camera.